Hi MTV, I'm Naomi and welcome to my crib.
Hi there, I hope you're well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm leaving Paris in a week now and I wanted to show you how I decorated my house. I'm happy to do this video because I like to watch apartment tour, renovation tour and also home building shows, so I thought, why not show mine? This is my time to shine, finally. Yeah, so as a background, so my apartment is a 25, maximum 27 square meter. Actually, I don't know, it's not stated on my contract and I don't remember what was written on the ad, but I think it's a 25 square meter. Studio with a mezzanine, so my bed area is separated from the living room and kitchen area, which was something that I was looking for in the apartment, even if it would be expensive. Yeah, the mezzanine area is not really, you're going to see it on the footage, but it's basically you can only sleep there, you cannot walk or do anything else. But it's good, it's functional, I like it. I pay 1,080 for my rent and I'm located in the east of Paris between Gare de Lyon and Nation. I really like the area of Paris where I'm living because first I'm on the line 1, which is the best line in Paris, I would say. It goes through Paris from west to east, so I'm on the east side, and on the east side it goes from Château de Vincennes, then you go to the main touristic areas of Paris like Louvre, Champs-Élysées, les Tuileries, and then west side you have La Défense, which is not very touristic, but anyway. It's something you should visit one if you have lots of time to waste in Paris. So my neighborhood is very nice. I have lots of grocery stores and small shops around my place, lots of restaurant, bar. It was really nice to live here during the summer because there were a lot of things to do. I also have lots of parks. I also have La Coulée Verte, 5 minutes of walk from my house. There are a lot of things to do. Also my nail tech and my estheticians are literally under a minute away from my place. So that's also very nice. I used to live my best life when everything was open, which is not the case since November. So that was the little intro. I'm going to first show you this apartment when it was empty. So most of the furniture were there, but there weren't any decoration and stuff, so I had all the things. And that's it. So let's go for this house tour. So this is what my apartment looked like when I first moved in. So I already had a lot of furniture, so the washing machine, my eating table, my sofa, my television, the coffee table, the stairs where I can put all my books and stuff like this. So it was already quite furnished, but there wasn't any decoration. This is what my apartment looks like today. As you can see, it's a lot more furnished and also more homely. I'm going to try to link as many items as possible in the description box, but and honestly what I've bought comes from IKEA, and from my landlords it comes from various shops, so I don't think I will be able to find what they've bought. So this is what the living room looks like from the other side. So what I've added is some pictures from my Polaroid on the electric meter box. I've also added lots of stuff on the TV shelf to make it less naked and more lively. On the coffee table, what I've added is just simple details. So I have a holder that comes from H&M and a candle and its holder from Maison du Monde. I bought these 2 dried flower bouquets at an event organized by Les Tous, and the vase come from IKEA. This lamp comes from Leroy Merlin. It's very nice, but a bit too bright in my opinion. But I'm also sensible to light, so that's normal. The frame, the picture frame comes from IKEA, as well as the candle holder. These are my CD collection, and also the place where I used to put my internet and TV box. The plant pot comes from IKEA as well as the plant. The big candle comes from Maison. The flower scent comes from Zara, and the frame from Leroy Merlin, and the picture from the Dior exhibition at V&A. Underneath the coffee table, this is where I put my books and magazines. Sorry for the mess. The footwears come from Sustain Green. The plaid from Primark. It's a very old one. Maybe I need to change it. These two fake flowers, and the pot comes from IKEA, of course. The candle holders from H&M Home. The candles are from Hema. Yeah, Hema. This bench and shoe storage come from IKEA. Yeah, this is my wardrobe, which I think come from IKEA as well. So this is my kitchen area. There is enough place for 2 people. I've added some of my prints above the coffee table. I don't know where the tea holder comes from, but the flowers come from IKEA. I do think that the rest of the table and chairs also from IKEA. Yeah, this is the food holder that I broke as well. Yeah, this is most of the cutlery, plates and else were already there. I just bought some of them. You also have a microwave, an oven, and also a dishwasher, which is life-saving. These are the stairs that are leading to my mezzanine area. So I put my makeup, my books, my sunglasses, jewelry, everything. Basically, it's my main storage area. I used to put also my frames. This is actually a bit of a stunt because since 2 months I haven't put anything there because they were all the time falling behind the stairs. So yeah, but it was cute to have this decoration at some point, but not anymore. So this is my guitar. I've added some fairy lights from Primark. Yeah, you have my books, all my camera stuffs, and all the writing stuffs. I don't know, the pens and so on. I've also added some picture taken with a disposable camera. This is also something that I bought at Primark to put my pictures. Yeah, and the coat hanger comes from IKEA. Now onto my sleeping area. So the main storage place was already there, and the second storage place, the small coffee table, comes from IKEA. And I've added also 2 of my prints, and the frame comes from Leroy Merlin. For the plant, they come from the event organized by Les Plantes pour Tous. Now onto my bathroom. So it's quite simple. I'm not going to spend too much time here. Yeah, most of the stuff were here. The mirror was already here. This holder comes from Leroy Merlin. Most of the stuffs come from IKEA and Primark. Yeah, my clothes. And here is the washing machine, which is also a lifesaver because I didn't want to go to the laundromat every time. I also have a space above the shower space where I can put my luggage and so on. So that was all for my apartment tour. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, or do we say it's still a thumbs up or it's a like? Anyway, it's something, it's one of those. Don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. Also, feel free to put in comments which item of decoration was your favorite one. Also, the prints in this video are all mine. I think most of them, and you can find them on my Etsy shop if you want to place me and if you like my work, maybe. Feel free also to follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and also my blog. I hope to see you soon. I don't know when, but I hope that my next iTunes won't be too long. And in the meantime, take care of yourself. Bye!